Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. I am Brandi Rose, if you didn't know. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. You're going to get a makeup tutorial and with a quick mini hair tutorial. With that being said, if you'd like to see how I got this look, then keep watching. So I already did my brows off camera. I'm going to start off using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I always define my brows more before I continue with my eyeshadow. I didn't do my eyebrows too thick or too dark today because I wanted them to simply be something that you could wear every day and not something that's just for a night out. This is just, you know, an everyday wear. So I'm going to start off using my Cute AF ColourPop palette, this brown color right here. So I'm going to go into my Soft Glam Anastasia palette and I'm going to use Rustic right here. Go in the inner corner, building it up. I'm not going to go too high with this one. I'm just making a crease, a soft crease. Actually got those pretty even. So I always need to use 3 palettes. It's ridiculous. Anywho, I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette. And this color right here reminds me of the Orgasm Blush from NARS. I just don't wanna, I wanna mix a gold, but we'll see. Let's see how this looks first. I'm gonna just pat this onto my eyelid. So now what I'm gonna go back and do is blend the lid color with the crease color. You don't want any lines to show. Now I'm gonna use my e.l.f. eyeliner. Okay, now I've created my wings. This is the Lower Geller Lash Boss Mascara. Now we can get to the fun part. The face. Let's beat this face in. Yes. So I like to spray my brush with the Mario Badescu. And today I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This is in the color Sienna. Going back to use the Holy Grail, the GOAT, the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the color Pure Beige. Spray a little Mario Badescu on this end and blend. So I'm gonna go back and stamp the concealer with the side that I have my foundation on, just to keep it evenly blended. Okay, now our face is coming together. Ooh. Ooh. I'm not gonna set my under eyes today because I wanna keep it simple. I just wanna keep it simple. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the color Cappuccino. I'm gonna use my NYX brown lip liner. So I honestly like the brown lip liner by itself, this color. What I could do is just simply add a gloss. This is in the color Peach Daiquiri. This is from Buxom. And I'm not gonna do it a lot, I'm just gonna add a little bit in the middle. Next, I'm gonna apply the Laura Geller Illuminator or highlighter. And I'm gonna use the color Gilded Honey. And I like to go upward, but I like to go out at the same time. So that's how I like to apply my highlighter, upward and out. A little bit on the nose. A little bit above the lip. And on the chin. And the forehead. Next, I'm gonna spray. I am gonna put some mascara on my bottom lash, but I'm not gonna put a lot. I just wanna do a little bit. I'm gonna apply my lashes off camera and then we can get to this head. Whew, this hair, good lord. Okay, so I put my lashes on and it's time to get to this hair. Yeah. Heat protecting, heat protecting, heat protecting. I love wearing my hair curly every now and then, but I also like wearing my hair straight end or curled up under, like similar to this, but a little finer. So to keep the best of both worlds and to keep your hair, you know, healthy and without, you know, having heat damage or anything like that, use a heat protectant. My favorite one is It's a 10. This is called the Miracle Leave-In product. My hairstylist use I think either it's this one or an orange bottle. I don't know what the big difference is, but this is what I use when I'm at home. So we're just gonna be a little bit distant since I'm not gonna blow dry my hair after this, so I'm just gonna spray it a little far so it can dry quick. So I'm gonna get it all in there and fluff it up, and I'm gonna brush my hair a little bit. And brush all that heat protectant in. I probably did spray a little too much. I'm honestly gonna be washing my hair tomorrow because I've been doing this way too much throughout this week. I'm going to start on the easy side. So I part my hair. Put it in the ponytail. This is the first time I've ever done my hair on camera and it's a little complicated, so bear with me. I always like to start from the back and make my way up to the front. So we're just gonna put this in a ponytail. Ran that. We're just left with that one little section. So I'm gonna slide over here, turn a little bit. I part it. Since my hair is already straight, it's not necessary to do too much brush out the hair a little bit. Get all the naps out of there. Because the back of your hair is going to be the main thing that frizzes up if you have ethnic hair like so. My favorite flat iron is the Hot Tools. This has lasted me a while. As you see, it's a little rough looking now. But I'm just going to... So that's how I like the curl to be. I don't want it to be too curled under. It'll make my hair look shorter. But I like it to have some length and a little bit of curl. So, like that. And then we could just lay it down. Okay? So I'm gonna do that all over my head.